promotion as a part-timer. In the last 5 years, naging part ako ng milestone ng next promotion. Yung message ko sa next promotion, sana ay maging successful pa for the coming years and more power.
Hi, ako po si Marisan Perlas. Ako po ay isang admin. Masasabi ko lang po na kay Sir Neri na napakabait po niya sa amin at kahit bago pa lang po ako, dun po sa mga kasama ko ay talagang napakababait po nila sa akin. Kaya po thankful ako sa aming team.
We started Next Promotions last 2018. Sa inspiration siguro dun sa past work namin, past work ko na advertising agency din. I took the risk na simulan yung company. Kahit solo lang ako, then si Martin nandyan. 2021 siguro, tapos 2022, doon nag-pick, maraming bumuhos na blessing sa amin, maraming clients na nag-trust. So doon nag-start kami mag-hire ng mga regular employees. Sobrang thankful kasi umabot kami ng 5 years going strong yung company. So, ayun, sobrang akong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng tao, especially to the employees and clients na nagtitiwala and sa employees na sobrang sisipag na patuloy na nagtatrabaho kahit medyo mahirap yung situation.
To the staff, I really love the girls and the past staff din as well. Dahil sa inyo, hindi naging successful ang Next Promotions for its 5th year.
Happy 5th anniversary, Next Promotions.
Good evening everyone. Thank you all for coming tonight. Sana maging masaya tayong lahat, especially to the next team and families and loved ones. Maraming salamat. And this night is also a Thanksgiving night para sa lahat ng blessings natin na received for the past year and for the past 5 years. So, ayun. Thank you so much sa inyong lahat and hoping for many years of blessings to us para magtuloy-tuloy yung mga projects natin. Thank you very much and let's enjoy them.